In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can split a table in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. So here we just need to simply insert a table first. So click on the insert button. Okay. So suppose we have this table from here. And we are going to split this table. So how can we do that? So we are going to split the second row and the third row. So we just need to place this cursor on the outside of the third row. Okay. Then once you have put the cursor outside of the third row, just simply press Control Shift and Enter key on keyboard. Again, it's Control Shift and Enter key on keyboard. And that's it. Now you have seen that the table has been split, or the table is now, or we have just split the table in Microsoft Word. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.